Amy Brick's been around since 1891. We manufacture brick for the house. Here in Perla, we mine for a white kaolinite clay. Just rip, and all for production. I'm not ripping and leaving it. I'm ripping it, moving it, and loading it. So my PSSR, Jason Bradley, he called me and said, hey, I got something, are you interested? And I said, sure. You know, we talked about some of the potential benefits of going to a new edge, and said, hey, we're game. We started them right in the end of September, October, somewhere in there. We've got 1,000 hours. They are wearable. Yeah, there's way more there. There's way more still there than there would be if we were running a flat edge right now. You can just walk up and look. Nothing to, slide them up on there, let the bolts in and go. Nothing any more difficult than just changing 2 extra blades instead of having 1 big long one. At least you ain't got to wrestle that big one. So that part of it was nice. See, I thought that was better because when you got to flip, man, it's such a pain. I'd rather just change and be done with it, because you still got to replace the end bits, and you still got to, once you flip the middle, you end up replacing all the hardware. That's money in the bank.